Never reminded, never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be. Making emotion paintable and so tell me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry eyeshadow palette. This packaging is stunning, and then I did a really pretty smoky eye using the colors in this palette, which is the look that I have on right now. And then I also used the lip gloss in the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss set that came out for the holidays. I do also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills metallic liquid lipstick set, but I kind of wanted to keep it a little more neutral with this smoky eye, and I wanted to attract more attention to the smoky eye than to my lips. But I do want to use these sometime for the holidays because they have some gorgeous colors in here. There's this beautiful red, there is a bronzy brown color, and then this iridescent silvery white. Such a great set. And then with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss set that I got, there's some really pretty colors. So I use this color right here, Pearl. It's kind of an iridescent, opal-y mother of pearl color. And then there is this color right here, which is a shimmery, glossy. It has some gold flakes in it. This goldish color that has some iridescent green glitter in it. And then this pinky gloss color, which has some purpley pink glitter in it. But it just kind of made the lips glossy, brought out the natural color of my lips, and then I can definitely keep the focus on my eye. So since we're focusing on the eyes today, I've already prepped and primed my eyes, so let me zoom you in and we'll jump into this look. I'm going to start off with this color right here, Fresh. It is a matte beige color. I'm going to put this all over the eye to set the primer. That way we have a good base. Next, I'm going to use the color Slate. I'm going to put this into my crease for a transition color. Next, I'm going to use this color Noir. I'm going to put this on the outer corner just to build up for a smoky eye. Now I'm going to take this color Rose Quartz. It's kind of a shimmery, it looks like it has some thick glitter in it. And I'm going to pop this on the inner corner into the middle of my eye. I'm going to go back in with this color Noir and sweep it on the outside corner into the rose quartz that we just put on the inside corner just to blend it all together. I'm going to go back in with the color Slate into the crease just to blend the Noir and Slate together. I'm going to go in with this color Pearl on a small brush sprayed with Fix Plus and pop that on the inside corner just to give it a little shimmery bling. For the under eye, I'm going to go in with the color Slate. I'm going to drag that all the way to the waterline from the outside corner. Now on the outside corner, I'm going to use Noir underneath the lash line. Now that I have my eyeshadow done, I'm going to go off camera, do my eyeliner and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, I've got my eyeliner and mascara done. I need to go in and do my highlight, and then we'll go ahead and do lips as well. So for highlight, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. It's not new, but I'm sticking with the theme of Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm gonna use the color Luna, this one right here in the middle. It's a silvery, shimmery highlight.
Never reminded, never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be. Making emotion paintable and so tell me, is this what you made me?
For lips, I'm going to use the color Pearl. It's just a lip gloss. I want to keep my lips pretty neutral just because I have such a bold eye and I want to attract more attention to the eye than the lips. Well, you guys, that's it for this look. I have a really pretty smoky eye using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. And then I kept my lips neutral using the color Pearl and the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss that came in the holiday lip gloss set. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit that bell icon for notifications of new videos. And then if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so that I know that you like it. And if you have any comments or suggestions, make sure to leave that in the comments box below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.